Gulliver's Travels, Jonathan Swift. Chapter 1. The Ship. My name is Dr. Lemuel Gulliver. I live in London with my wife Mary and our 2 children. Many of my patients are poor and can't pay me, so I don't have a lot of money. One day a friend comes to my house. "Come and work on my ship, Lemuel. You can get a lot of money." "That's a good idea. I need money for my family." This is the story of my strange adventures at sea. Our ship leaves England on May 4th, 1699. We travel to the East Indies. The East Indies are islands in the Indian Ocean. After a few months at sea, there's a terrible storm. We are very scared. "I cannot control the ship." "Quick, Dr. Gulliver, help us with the boat. We are leaving the ship." "Oh no, look, a big rock." We get into the boat. We are in the boat for an hour. Suddenly, our boat hits a rock and we fall into the sea. I try to swim, but the storm is very bad and it's difficult. I can't see the other sailors. I never see them again. I'm very tired and it's difficult to swim. Suddenly, I see an island. Am I imagining this? I think. I look again. Yes, the island is there. I swim to the island. Soon my feet are on the ground. I can stand. I can walk to that island. I walk slowly. Finally, I get to the island. I'm tired and weak. I fall on the ground and sleep. Chapter 2. The Small Man. Something is walking on my leg. I open my eyes and try to move my head. I can't move. Ropes tie me to the ground. I see a very small man next to my face. He's about 6 inches tall. The small man has a bow and arrow in his hand. I shout and he is scared. The small man runs along my arm and jumps onto the ground. I break the ropes on my arm and hair. Then I move my head. Small arrows hit my face and body. There are hundreds of small men near me. They are shooting arrows at me. Am I imagining this? Are these small people real? Why are they so angry? I am very surprised. I put my arm over my face to protect my eyes. The small men are speaking in a strange language. I can't speak to them because they don't understand me. Finally, they stop shooting the arrows. One of the men climbs on me again. I don't move because I don't want to scare him. Other men climb on me too. When they get to my face, I point to my mouth. "I'm hungry," I say. The men are scared, but they don't move. One of the men understands and shouts to the people on the ground, and they run in different directions. Soon they return with a lot of food and drink. Jonathan Swift is Anglo-Irish author and clergyman, pseudonym Isaac Bickerstaff. He was born on November 30th, 1667 in Dublin. This is the second half of the 17th century. Dublin is the capital city of Ireland. He died in on October 19th, 1745, in the middle of the 18th century, also in Dublin. Jonathan Swift was the foremost prose satirist in the English language. Besides the celebrated novel Gulliver's Travels, which was published in 1726, he wrote such shorter works as A Tale of a Tub, published in 1704, and A Modest Proposal, published in 1729.